What's up guys, so welcome back into this video. So in today's video we're going to be creating a photograph flyer, and we're actually going to be using our smartphone, as you can see right now. So it doesn't need to be able to put in your height and your width. So if it's a little bit fat, you can just use in the YouTube setting up above. So you can see right now that I can also be able to place that image very well. So this is just the image I downloaded from Pinterest. Then when you are done, you can just using your gradients, just put in the position. So you can select any color you want to use for this. So I'm just using dark brown and a little bit of light brown for this. So you can just adjust it right now. So it's not a must you must actually use in my color code or anything. You can just be able to add some creativeness also to yours, and then create it for yourself. So you can use design for anything, guys. So this is day 46, guys, day 46 of today's tutorial. So we're just going to be creating this flyer instantly, guys. In less than 10 minutes I think we are going to be done. So you can just put in this gold color right now, just give it a gradient, give it a light yellow and a dark brown. So that's just going to give it. So you can just select any one of them. So we're going to be creating something like a glass effect on this, that we are going to be using. We'll be placing the amount and the details here because it's just going to be important. So you can also adjust it using the gradient tool, so any color that fits for you. So that's why I'm actually trying to even make it fast a bit, because most details right now, they are not actually meant to stay long home. So I don't want you guys to get bored. That's why I'm just doing that. So if you want to increase the speed, you can also do anything you want to do. It's just going to be on the setting there. So you can just use in the same color we use for the background down below, and you can use it for this up above. So I'm just going to write in the packages there. So you can just do the adjustment again. So we'll just use in this kind of like a line to differentiating the details. So right now we are almost done with the layout. We can now start writing the text, as you can see right now. So that is just how you're going to do. So we're using pop-ins for this, and we can just use in a dark brown and a little bit of light brown right now. So you can just see the way I positioned it, so you can see the color codes also. So if you have reached this far, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the video, and if you're also interested in the PLP file, you can just go down there and download it. If it's not there, you can join my Telegram community and chat me up. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, because it actually motivates us to drop more videos like this. So you can see on my Pixellab sticker right now, I was able to bring out a WhatsApp icon. So if you don't have this type of Pixellab, they are just going to be in my description box below. So you just go into my Telegram channel, download it, and if it's not downloadable, or if you have any issues, you can just be able to lay it down there, and I will do my best to fix it. So you can just see what I'm writing, guys. So I'm just going to write in the number right now. So this is just a random number that I'm going to be writing, and then I'm just going to be using I think I'll use pop-ins for this, but let me just see first. So let me just use Monserrat. So you can see that I use Monserrat for it. So just do the adjustment right now, duplicate it. So I'm going to write in the packages also, and then we'll just give it a an adjustment there, and just position it to see whether it will fit it very well. So we'll now be writing the packages right now. So you can just create a rectangle and then reducing the sizing and everything on it. So just adjust it. So yeah, so we'll just be changing the color. We'll change this color to light green, and then we're just going to change this to light red. So the packages need to have something like a different color to differentiate it. We cannot just make everything white. It's not going to make the flyer colorful. So I believe you guys know how we are actually working on photograph flyers. We need to make it pop and look very attractive. This is the photograph flyer. Your photograph flyer should not have how am I going to put it, dull colors, because it's a photograph flyer. It needs to be shiny. But so I've created yes, I think couple of photograph flyers on this channel on our 100 days challenge, as you can see. So you can just be able to write in the standard, ultimate. So these are just the packages, like I said that time, that we are just going to be using. So you can just put in the description, as you can see right now, and then you can just use it in Monserrat. So you can just use the line spacing, then just duplicate it. So you can just change it to 7. So anyhow you want to write this, if you actually get a work Yes, like a client is willing to pay you to create something like this. It's not much you must actually make a photograph flyer. You can just use this kind of layout and then come up with something and be creative about it. So that is just how it works. Most time I see designs, it's not exactly what they actually did that I'm not going to follow. I just get my inspirations from them, and let me just list out some sites you can maybe get your inspiration from them right now. So there are a lot of sites on like Pixels, Pinterest, especially Facebook. So you need to do a lot of Facebook groups to get ideas also. If you're not on Facebook, Instagram is another best option. There are a lot of people posting design, even if it's thumbnail or any other thing. So it's another option, guys. So we're just writing the amounts over there. We'll be using our normal fonts, which is the poppins. So you can see our poppins font is looking smart. So we're just changing the amount here. So I don't know if this is how they normally charge in your place, but it's just a fictional flyer we're doing right now. So I think it's time for us to be able to import some importance right now. Yeah, I use a word. So we'll just import this model, and then we can just adjust her, then take her to the back of the whole image, so you can see how she's actually glowing on this flyer. So you can see how it's very easy, guys. So it's not hard. You can just grab your phone right now, just do it yourself. It's just for you to know how to be able to place in colors there. So the way we actually did for the packages, we'll just do it for where we'll be placing some images right now, something like a preview, and then we can just add some images and then position them. So just make sure you position them the one that suits you. So you can see the way I'm actually placing it right now. So if you have reached this far, guys, leaving a subscription and also liking this video and commenting what video you want me to do next will be very helpful, as it will enable us to be moving towards our 100 days challenge, and then you'll be able to grab some knowledge about it. So if you have any issues, you can just lay it down in the comment section below. So you can just import this camera right now. So what I'm going to use the camera right now, you are just going to be shocked about it. So I'm just going to duplicate this and then give it a cycle, then we'll just cut off the frame. So I don't know what they call this, but it's a frame. I just want to put it like that so you can see how it is. So I want that to be lapping at the back and at the front also, so you can see the way I just placed it. So that is it. So you can just be able to write in the text right now. So we'll be using graduate for it, and I think we'll be using a font called Glory. Yeah, Glory is the font. So you can just place in the colors right now. So like I said the first time, that we're going to be using a golden color for this, and to actually achieve that golden color is for you to be able to use light yellow or stuff like that, and then dark brown. So you can just do a position it. So I think I also left in the color code. So let me just try to create a brush right now, but I don't think it's going to be okay on this. I don't think Pixellab can get that kind of like a slimy brush. I think that works very well with Photoshop, or you can just download it online. So anything you don't you cannot achieve on Pixellab is also possible online. So you can just be able to create this cycle right now. So this is a rectangle, so I will just go over to Pixellab quotes and then use it. I'm just using it to check in the spacing. So I'm still going to change text, but I'm just using it to check in the spacing for it. So guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video, share this video for more videos like this. So you can see right now that just like I was just able to change in the text for it. So you can see how everything is popping out well. You can see how amazing it is, guys. So you can just be able to create like a black brush at the back, then place it there to give it that kind of sharp field on it. So you can see how it is. So you can just write in the company name. I'll be giving it DSG graduation 2026. You can change it anywhere you want it, and that should do that for you. So you can just use in purpose for. So you can see that I'm actually selecting the font right now on the graduation text. So you can just change the colors and then check which one that works. So you can just reduce it and then give it a space. So I think this is good. So you can just be able to create something like a light brush at the back of it, then take this to the back, take it down. So see which one that works for you. You can reduce the opacity also, and then that should actually work that. All right guys, I'm going to see you in my next video.